Yeah, so it's something that I've been looking into for probably the last 5 years. Started noticing that I had a receding hairline. So something to boost my confidence a little bit. I think just my overall look, honestly, like I said, my hairline had been receding for a few years and it didn't bother me a ton, but I feel like I noticed myself wearing more and more hats and I didn't want to, spend the next 10, 15 years, having to worry about that. So I did a ton of research. Initially, I had looked into going to Turkey, but I just did not want to sit in a 14-hour flight. Started looking through Reddit, YouTube, a bunch of different boards. I found that this place here, HMR, had a ton of good reviews, probably the best that I could see anywhere else. Immediately, I started looking into it, reached out. Staff was super friendly. They get back to you, through text messaging or calls right away. And then they made the process super, super easy. Getting here, it was easy getting here. I spent the night across the street, super, super nice hotel. And then when I got here, I was a little bit nervous, but then obviously you meet the staff here. Everyone is super, super nice. They make you feel super comfortable again. Yeah, everything went super smooth that day. No pain at all with the procedure. The only thing that you do feel a little bit is the anesthesia, the numbing, but it's super quick. Once that's done, I slept through the entire procedure basically. I slept probably out of the 5 hours, I slept probably 4 hours. Yeah, so it went super quick. I didn't feel anything. The pain, zero. Did not feel a single thing. Yeah, today this is the day after. There's no pain at all. There's a little bit of swelling on my forehead, a little bit sore, but there's no pain at all. Don't think about it too long. My only regret is honestly not doing it sooner. I wish I would have done this maybe 2-3 years ago when I first started noticing it. Just call HMR really right away, and then this process is super smooth. Just go ahead and take care of it now. Great, honestly, I feel like nothing even happened. I just back to normal, no issues at all. Pain levels, nothing at all, honestly. Even when I was here getting the procedure, I felt nothing. I'm totally numb. At this point, not even itchiness, honestly. There's nothing bothering me.
How have you been sleeping lately?
Sleeping?
Yeah.
Perfectly fine. The first 2-3 days, I used the donut pillow. But ever since then, it's been totally good. Just sleeping on my back, no issues. I'm just excited at this point. I know that it's gonna take a while for everything to fully show, but I'm feeling pretty confident about the way that it's gonna look. From my family members telling me, my friends telling me, it's gonna look great. The way that they position the hairline, I think it's gonna end up showing, great results. I'm pretty confident that it's gonna end up that way. But I'm just hoping that, everything turns out great. No pain with the scab removal, super quick. You're basically just getting a head rub, honestly. Like you're just kind of laying back, getting a nice little head wash. Went by, I think it was maybe 15 minutes. Like I said, no pain at all either. Super relaxing, just laying back. Quick little massage, basically. If you're thinking about it, just do it. It's super, super quick. Everyone's super nice here. It's a great facility. Yeah, don't even think about it. Just go ahead and do it now.